Mushemani wa ajube ya kiama kia Ford Kenya ni kwa mutongoria umwe wa CORD Moses Wetangula arutire ritana akienda Raila Raila Odinga na Kalonzo Musyoka mamutigire tigiti wa gucaria giturwa kia president na ngwataniro ya kiama gia CORD.
Each one of us is a candidate. We have a mechanism of arriving at the ultimate candidate. I believe I'll be the one. They also have the right to believe they will be the ones. We are hoping that one of us, once picked on, will carry the country to liberation from the malpractices and the mismanagement that we are seeing.
Oigete anirira itua riake ria kuria rumiriri ya CORD arirukie federati kwenda arenda kugayukania kiama kiu.
For avoidance of doubt, I just want to tell Kenyans that CORD coalition is strong, CORD coalition is steady, CORD coalition will stand together to the end.
Mire yake ya kuhatetia CORD ni nyititwo baru ni ateti amwe akuma ruguru rwa bururi.
Sisi kama jamii ya Bungoma, Ford Kenya kwa jumla na jamii yote ya Bungoma kufuatia kukubaliwa na wazee na jamii yote ya kwamba anaenda kupigania urais na chama imeshamuendorse. Sisi watu wa Bungoma pia tutamwachilia, tumwambie atembee Kenya yote.
Na hari ikinya ria kuhoreria urugari kiama-ini kiu kia Ford Kenya, Wetangula oigete ithurano cia kiama kiu igukoro ire ciama na kihoto. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, yetagwo Macharia wa Mugo.